Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the hallucination effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footage to the timeline and adjust the duration. Then go to Effects and search for Magical World Overlay Pack 3. Then drag it above the footage. Then search for the Hallucination 2, and drag it down to the footage. Then I added this audio, which I got from Envato to match the vibe of the video. Make sure to adjust it right. Then go to audio and add this tension sound effect. When the mysterious sound ends, crop it and delete the effect. You can do it just by left click, go to Effect, and unselect it. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.